Today, we're diving into the top 5 most important sensors in your car, the heroes you don't see but that keep your engine running smoothly. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Friends, I'll tell you the warning signs these sensors give when things go wrong. Let's get started. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the oxygen sensor or O2 sensor. Typically located in the vehicle's exhaust system, specifically before and after the catalytic converter. It measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases. This data helps your engine control the air-fuel ratio, ensuring efficient combustion and lower emissions. Symptoms of a bad O2 sensor include: check engine light with codes like P0130 or P0171, poor fuel economy, rough idling or engine misfires. Failed emissions tests. If your gas mileage suddenly drops or your car starts running rough, don't ignore it. A faulty O2 sensor can damage your catalytic converter over time, costing you big. At number 4, the mass airflow sensor. MAF sensor is typically located between the air filter housing and the intake manifold. It measures the amount of air entering your engine. This information allows your ECU to add the right amount of fuel for smooth performance. Symptoms of a failing MAF sensor: hesitation or jerking during acceleration, black smoke from the exhaust, rough idle or stalling, poor fuel economy or reduced power. Sometimes cleaning your MAF sensor with this special cleaner can restore performance, but if your problems continue, replacing it can save you a lot of headaches. Number 3 is the throttle position sensor. Typically located on the throttle body of an engine, specifically on the throttle valve spindle or shaft. This sensor monitors how far the throttle plate is open, which tells your ECU exactly how much power you want from the engine. Symptoms of a bad TPS: jerky or uneven acceleration, engine stalling especially when stopping or idling, poor throttle response, transmission shifting issues in automatic cars. A faulty TPS can make your car hesitate or surge unpredictably, which can be dangerous when pulling into traffic or merging onto a highway. At number 2, the crankshaft position sensor is one of the most vital components in your engine. Typically located at the front of the engine, near the crankshaft itself. It reads the exact position and rotational speed of your crankshaft, which your ECU uses to control ignition timing and fuel injection. Symptoms of a bad crankshaft sensor: engine stalling or no start condition. Check engine light with codes like P0335, loss of power while driving, intermittent misfires. If this sensor fails, your engine might die without warning. Imagine that happening at 60 miles per hour. Don't ignore stalling or random misfires. And at the top of the list, number 1, the coolant temperature sensor. Typically located near the thermostat housing or in the cylinder head, usually close to the front of the engine. This small but mighty sensor monitors the temperature of your engine coolant and tells your ECU how hot the engine is running. Symptoms of a failing coolant temp sensor: engine overheating or running to cool, erratic temperature gauge readings, poor fuel economy, cooling fans not operating properly, either stuck on or not turning on at all. Overheating can cause catastrophic engine damage like warped heads or blown gaskets. If your temperature gauge acts weird or your fans don't kick on when hot, check this sensor first. So those were the top 5 most important sensors in your car. Knowing the symptoms of these sensors can help you diagnose problems before they turn into costly repairs. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.